Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about leprosy. So leprosy has two types. One, it is multibacillary leprosy or paucibacillary leprosy. So this leprosy, rifampicin can be given in 600 milligrams once a month. Rifampicin is given 600 milligrams once a month, whereas clofazimine is given 300 milligrams once a month. Both this rifampicin and clofazimine is a supervised dose. Dapsone is given 100 milligrams per day and clofazimine is given 50 milligrams per day. Both these are given for 30 days, whereas rifampicin and clofazimine, these are given in supervised dose. So in multibacillary leprosy and paucibacillary leprosy, we will give the same drug combinations. That is, we give rifampicin and clofazimine once a month in supervised dose, that is on the first day of the month. In the presence of the health worker, the patient has to take rifampicin on the first day of the month. In the presence of a health worker, he should take rifampicin 600 milligrams once a month and clofazimine 300 milligrams. Then the health worker will hand over him the dapsone 100 milligrams per day and clofazimine 50 milligrams per day for 30 days, rest of the 30 days. Then again the patient returns to the same health worker for the next month doses, where he takes rifampicin and clofazimine in front of the health worker, and the health worker will hand him over the dapsone and clofazimine. Right? The only difference between multibacillary and paucibacillary leprosy is the duration. Multibacillary leprosy, you will do this for 12 months, whereas in paucibacillary leprosy, you will the patient has to be given the treatment for 6 months. Multibacillary leprosy treatment is for 12 months. That is the only difference. Then, if there is drug resistant leprosy, then we have drug resistant or rifampicin resistant leprosy. In drug resistant or rifampicin resistant leprosy, here the treatment is for 24 months, which also contains intensive phase for 6 months, which include clofazimine plus clarithromycin, minocycline and ofloxacin. Clarithromycin, minocycline and ofloxacin, any two will be given. And we have this intensive phase is for 6 months and continuous phase is given for 18 months. And these include clofazimine, and it also includes clarithromycin, minocycline and ofloxacin. Among all these, any one will be given. Right? Next we have, if there is single lesion paucibacillary leprosy. In single lesion paucibacillary leprosy, there is only one lesion. This has ROM. R for the dosage is different in children and adults. R is rifampicin, O is ofloxacin, minocycline, M for minocycline. Rifampicin is given 600 milligrams in adults and 300 milligrams in children. Ofloxacin of 400 milligrams is given in adults and 200 milligrams in children. Minocycline is given 100 milligrams in adults and 50 milligrams in children. All the three drugs are taken together as a single dose. Then the next drug which is important, the next important thing is about the treatment of lepra reaction. So lepra reaction mainly occurs during the dapsone therapy. Lepra reaction occurs during dapsone theory. This is of two types. We have type 1 lepra reaction, where there is delayed type of hypersensitivity reaction occurs to lepra antigen. Then we have type 2 reaction, where humoral antibody response occurs to dead bacilli. So this is type 3 hypersensitivity reaction, whereas delayed type of hypersensitivity reaction to lepra antigen is type 4 hypersensitivity reaction. So this causes cutaneous ulceration, and it also causes multiple nerve involvement occurs in type 1 leprosy. So the drug of choice for both type 1 and type 2 leprosy is steroids. But in type 2 leprosy, if there is no response to steroids, then we can give thalidomide or chloroquine can be given to the patient. If there is no response to steroids, then thalidomide or chloroquine can be given to the patients. So this is about the lepra reaction and drugs of leprosy. Thank you for watching.